My name is Bryce Soros, part of your Kinesiology 303 course. The career path that I have chosen to do my research on was chiropractic. It has only been in the last couple years that I have decided to work towards chiropractic. For most of my life, I've wanted to be a physical therapist. I believed that the only way or the most important or easiest way for me to help somebody physically was physical therapist. I've always been athletic and active. I was a baseball player. I would run track. I worked out, and I knew I loved helping my buddies work out and become healthier. Or if they were hurt, I would love to help give them a routine to help rehabilitate themselves. So I thought physical therapy was the only way for this. It wasn't until my senior year when I got hurt myself that I realized it wasn't. I found chiropractic. It was the baseball season of my senior year, and I tore my shoulder, but I didn't have enough money to have a surgery or do these operations. So I thought my senior year baseball was done. And in my eyes, I thought I was good enough to be a collegiate athlete. So it kind of was heartbreaking for me. Thanks to my school, we actually had a chiropractor that would come out once a week for the athletes. He ran tests on me to see what was wrong with my shoulder. We came to a conclusion that it was sprained, and I didn't have money for the sessions either. He gave me 6 free sessions, and I paid for another 6, so there was 12 overall sessions to help rehabilitate my shoulder. So while going to Dr. Horain, I kind of fell in love with what he was doing. I always agreed with helping people physically overcome challenges and help their body work in a better way. So I definitely saw this with chiropractic, which I never saw before. And other aspects of it I really agreed with. Like having surgery be the last resort. Chiropractic tries to help fix the problem before a surgery and without medication. I know how addictive medication can be, and I just agree with chiropractic's morality. So while researching throughout the course, I found 2 main organizations that intrigued me. The first one was the American Chiropractic Association, the ACA. They were founded in 1922. Their mission was to inspire and empower their members to elevate the health and wellness throughout their communities and where they were practicing. They would give fact sheets and practice sources for their chiropractors to put in action, and it allows them to stay up to date with the latest news and tools that are coming out in the chiropractic field. The next is the International Chiropractors Association, the ICA. I could not find when they were founded, but their mission was to protect and promote chiropractic thoughts throughout the whole world. So this one isn't just an American organization, it's worldwide. I really like this one because I feel grateful that we have chiropractors in America, and it is a big part. You go to other countries and chiropractors aren't as big. There's still skepticism about chiropractic in America because they mainly just focus on the back, but everything underneath the back runs through the back. So your knees, your hips, your legs all run through your back. So your back health is very vital. That's why I found this association very helpful, because they didn't just mainly help America. It was worldwide. They bring cutting edge information and help these countries with bring in chiropractic theory and topics, which I found very unique. For chiropractors, You have to get your associate's degree, a bachelor's in science, and a doctor's of chiropractic. Typically, it is a 7-year program. The bachelor's varies. Many people, the most used bachelor's degree to become a chiropractor is actually biology, which I did not know before researching. I thought it was health sciences, or kinesiology. I was very surprised that it was biology. I'm taking kinesiology. Next year is my final year, and then I have a 3-year grad program. On top of this, each state has its own certifications to become a chiropractor once you graduate with the doctors of chiropractic. The state of California requires you to pass 4 different parts of tests, or 4 different tests that have different parts that are at different stages. You take these tests while you are at chiropractic school. The tests range from purely anatomy, spinal anatomy, general diagnoses, and chiropractic principles. Once you pass all these and graduate with your doctors of chiropractic, you officially can practice chiropractic. Salaries can vary highly in chiropractic. Right out of school, you're not going to get paid very much, around $36,000 to $40,000. But owning your own practice allows you to have a higher income. Also, how long you have been working in this field and your education matter highly. In California, the average is $160,000, but I've researched 2 areas specifically for the average pay. Riverside is $157,000 a year, and my hometown of Tulare is $143,000. Both of these are if you own your own practice and you have people working underneath you if you are the head chiropractor. So that's why it can vary, because the head chiropractor usually is going to get the most money. He's going to be working the most. On top of this, chiropractor trends over the recent years have been increasing. In 2012, there was 44,000 jobs. By 2014, it increased to 45,000, almost 46,000. If the trends continue, by 2022, they will be at 50,000. Going through the course, I knew a lot about chiropractic because I wanted to be it. So I had to know, I had to research. But this course definitely helped me put into perspective certain ideas. I haven't really had a job in this field. I've worked at Best Buy and custodianships, so I really didn't understand professionalism. I knew it to a certain degree, but not like this. Cultural experiences, biases, all these I've heard of them, but they were new concepts to me. I never really saw them. So going through this course really put it in perspective to me. Thank you. That is it.